The consumer promotions are tags or technique designed to help a business find the new customers or reward the current customers. The most common consumer promotions are aimed at enhancing the value of your product, either by reducing the cost or adding more benefit to regular price. However, consumer promotions can be utilized to achieve various other objectives as well as and different promotions work better for different purposes. So coming to the consumer promotions or trade promotion. So consumer sales promotion or trade promotion. So what is the mean by the trade promotion? To persuade and encourage the manufacturers, wholesalers and retailers who buying the products for the business to the business purpose, but consumer sales promotions target directly to the consumer or end user or customers. So that is called the trade promotion. So consumer sales promotion using to persuade and encourage customer to buy the commodity or products and services in order to increase the sales in the short term as well as a tactical strategy. So building the product awareness, so create the interest and the new users, so providing the information, stimulating the demand, so reinforcing the brand, so brand awareness, etc. So what are the characteristics of the sales promotion? So by Professor Philip Scotter, there are the three distinctive characteristics of the sales promotion. So including the communication, incentives and invitation. So communication can draw attention from the customers and provide information to influence the customers to purchase the products and commodities. Sales promotion is the incentive to incorporate some concession, so inducement or contribution that gives the value to the consumer. Sales promotion have a distinct invitation to engage in the transaction now or future customer purchase as soon as possible. So these are the characteristics of the sales promotion. So the characteristics of the sales promotion able to encourage the customer to buy one brand over the another by introducing the samples, coupons, promotions, etc. So able to obtain trial purchases from the customers. So able to stimulate sales force enthusiasm, able to join force with advertising to the reinforce sales, able to prevent the competition in advance. So a consumer sales promotion tools. These are the consumer sales promotion tools. Free sample, coupons, percentage off, bonus pack, refunds and rebates, premium, so contests. So these are the consumer sales promotion tools. So consumer sales promotion tools. First one, pre-samples. So pre-samples in the sense effective way for the new product launching. So most of the customer not confident to buy the new products because they are not sure about the product, the reliability and quality of that particular commodity.